Okay, so I thought I was done with the holiday shopping, but then I spotted this little surprise tucked under the Christmas tree. This is the HEYCHY mini massage gun. It's actually the super mini massage gun, and it's totally the coolest gift this year. Look how tiny it is. It's only about 0.6 pounds. It fits right in your palm and is ready for your gym bag or your coat pocket. Don't let the size fool you though. This thing is seriously powerful. The high torque brushless motor hits those deep tissue spots right where you need them. And the 5 speeds give you the control that make it even more pleasurable. The 4 attachments let you target literally any muscle soreness you have and use it after a tough workout or even just a day of sitting at your desk. It's so easy to carry around, and it has a 5-hour battery life. So thanks to the ultra superior 3C power battery, you just charge it with a typical USB-C cable and it's ready to go. Plus, the green color is incredible. It's perfect for her as a thoughtful, practical gift, or for him as a way to show him you still care. If you're looking for the ultimate stocking stuffer, something that says, quote, "I care about your wellness and I want you to be with me for long term," this is it. It's compact, powerful, and everyone needs one. Stop scrolling and click the link to grab your HEYCHY Super Mini on Amazon now. You will need it. You won't regret it. Add it to your life and you will be happy.